Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? It's Dave here. I'm coming at you for the first time on a jacuzzi that has been closed ever since the beginning of COVID-19. Oh man, this water's hot. Hope everything's doing well over there where you guys are at. This jacuzzi here in Austin. Yes, I'm located in Austin. It's very refreshing to know that now I can get into some real hot water. This water's pretty hot. I'm not sure if I can last very long. I'm gonna put this camera up a little bit more. I had it just for me, but I want you to see. To get a better view of how I'm looking here. There. Now, this is yes, I'm losing weight, or yes, I'm trying to lose weight. I'm gonna get in the water because I'm embarrassed to show my whole body. Maybe girls looking at me and I don't want to embarrass myself. I'm gonna put it here in the corner here. This is the GoPro Hero Max. No, I'm sorry, the GoPro Max, not the Hero. There's no Hero about this thing. This is the GoPro Max. I have it set up on 360, even though it might just end up being a reframe. It might be a reframe, or I might just leave it as a 260. Either way, I'm going to try to work on this. As you well know, you should know that even though the GoPro Max shows that it being waterproof, I still wouldn't trust it, since I had my GoPro Hero 8 that's supposed to be waterproof also. It wasn't waterproof. I bought it a couple of months ago, and up to just last month, I'm sorry, I finally tried it out, and 4 feet of water at the swimming pool, it was completely ruined, and the door was secure. One thing that I am very sure of is that I try to take care of my cameras, and I make sure that door is sealed. So it had to have been a defect in the seal since I first bought the camera. I know this one is waterproof, and I've taken this one underwater. I've taken the Max underwater already. Matter of fact, I'm gonna spray some water, but although I spray some water, the lens is gonna get kind of yucky, but still, from what it looks from the screen, it looks pretty good. I don't see any droplets or anything that's obstructing it, but it's a nice feeling to come back to the jacuzzi. It feels good. Oh, it feels real good. I have no idea why they even closed the jacuzzi, since COVID-19 is a virus, and virus cannot live in very high heat. So normally the virus would have died either in a sauna or in a steam room or even in a jacuzzi like this one. Somebody would have COVID-19, they'd come in here and pretty much bake themselves or boil themselves. I'm sure that virus would have died already. I'm gonna put this on pause, and because it's coming up to 5 minutes, and I'm gonna restart it again. Okay, so since I restarted it already, again, I'm glad that the jacuzzi's on. I was actually trying to miss it a lot. But I'm gonna pop the camera up just a little bit so you can get an idea of how the swimming pool looks like. I usually don't like putting the swimming pool up there, but that's how the swimming pool would look like. So. Other than that, looking good, man. My gosh. I think I'm gonna start coming to this one more often. There's 2 gold gyms in Austin, and the other one has a newer swimming pool, but it's always usually cold, and the jacuzzi over there doesn't work yet. So the jacuzzi, I love the jacuzzi a lot. It's perfect, especially when I just got out of the swimming pool. I just did 30 laps. So the good thing about it is that I had this arm that it hurts a lot. It's actually an injury that I had when I was at the compos office during a training program that supposedly I got my shoulder dislocated, but and I was on the therapy for a long time, but it was okay as long as there wasn't cold front. If a cold front came in, my arm would hurt real bad. But yet, the good thing about it is that underwater it doesn't hurt at all. It just hurts when I take it out of water, pretty much. Anyways, this is pretty good. Oh, the water! I can feel the water already. It's pretty much just relaxing my muscles. My muscles were kind of tense, especially since I don't exercise that much. I don't exercise that much because, things have been kind of hectic at work, and then they restricted us a lot with, here at the Gold Gym. Certain things you couldn't do, certain things you could, and so forth and so forth. Well, I'm more of the aquatic type of person, so I just stay in the water, stay in the swimming pool. Usually I just do my laps, but in this particular case, I get to relax in the jacuzzi now. And I want to thank Gold Gym for getting this thing opened already. I really missed it a lot. I missed the jacuzzi. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this short. This would be the morning vlog, and we will be talking to you later on. Y'all have a good week or a good weekend. That's right. Today's Friday. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Maintain your social distancing. And we'll see you tomorrow.